In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete your Google Maps timeline. First, open Google Maps on your computer and make sure you're signed into your Google account. Next, click the menu button on the left side of the screen to open the navigation panel. From a menu, select your timeline. Depending on your account and current Google Maps interface, you may be prompted to manage your timeline through Google's Activity Controls page. Once the Activity Controls page opens, locate Location History and select the option to see and delete activity or manage your timeline data. From there, you could delete a specific day, a custom date range, or your entire timeline history. If you'd like to remove everything, choose Delete All Location History and confirm your selection. You can also enable Auto Delete to have your timeline history automatically removed after a selected period. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please feel free to use the affiliate link in the description.